So it's Friday. So today we're going to turn in our warm-ups, right? Again, make sure each day either says absent or has the warm-up. Now look, when you do warm-ups, you also have to write the objective, right? The learning target at the top. Some people are not writing the learning target and you lose 5 points each time. What am I doing? Okay, sorry. So make sure you write this every time, 5 points. The warm-up, 15 points. 5 plus 15, 20 points a day, 5 days a week, easy 100, right? So just make sure you're doing what you need to do with your name on it, right? So let's do this warm-up. By the way, UIL grade check is today. It says that what is 5? Right here it says the range is 5. Range is what letter, X or Y? So domain is X, but range is Y, okay? So the range is Y. What's another way to write Y? F of X, right? So this is telling us that we're going to replace the F of X, that whole left side of the equation, with the number 5, okay? So you're not replacing X with 5. You're replacing F of X. So it's going to look like this. The left side of the equation is just going to be 5. The right side of the equation is going to be the same. Minus 2x minus 15. So that's different than when they give us the domain. When they give us the domain, that's when we plug in for x. Make sure you're looking up here, everybody. So, but make sure it's right. That doesn't look right. So look up here. So 5 is on the left side. Okay. Now, the easiest way to solve this, right? Type it into Desmos with the squiggle and the letter N, right? But we can solve this by hand. Okay, so by hand, X is on the right. We want to get rid of the loner, minus 15. Yo, that way. Just for a minute. The opposite of minus 15 is plus 15. 5 plus 15 is 20. Bring down negative 2x. And then to get rid of that negative 2 in front of x, we divide by negative 2. 20 divided by negative 2 is negative 10. Okay? So again, we replaced the f of x with 5, solve for x to get the domain. That's what we're looking for, right? The domain. And when you write domain, it has to be in set notation, which is the brackets. So that's not the way I want the answer. The answer should look like this. Ta-da! Okay. So everybody, make sure you have this down. Make sure every day has something on it, right? If you're absent, write absent, A-B-S-E-N-T, on the days you are not here. And then make sure your name's on it, pass it to the front. I'm going to pick those up. Today, you have time to look at your little grade sheet. Anything with a 1 is missing, right? 1 means missing. Any grade below 70, you can fix it, right? Pass up your warm-ups to the front. Now, y'all know we took a test yesterday. If you did not pass it, immediately today, we're going to do some corrections, okay? I'm going to give them to you. Real quick. Earlier in the week, we took a quiz. If you didn't pass that, we're going to spend today correcting it. So today is correcting quizzes and tests, doing your missing work, getting everything squared away for Unit 2, because come Monday, we're going to start the second part of Unit 2. We're going to have 2 sections of Unit 2. Okay, so I'm going to come around and get your warm-ups. All right, here we go.